Hello YouTube. So in this tutorial we will be seeing how to full screen the VirtualBox OS. So first of all we have to open our OS. In this case I am opening my Parrot OS. So let it open. The steps are quite easy. So let's get started. So as my Parrot OS is open now, so what I'll go in devices, then in insert get guest addition CD image. So now we'll go to places, then VBbox GS. As you can see, we'll open that, and after that what we have to do is we have to open our terminal here by clicking right. Then in the terminal we have to use it as super user. So I'll insert my password. Now what we have to do is we have to use the sudo command. Let me show. It is sudo sh space dot slash vbox linux additions dot run. So we have to run this file. Now once it is installed and run, so what we have to do is now we have to reboot our system, and then we'll be good to go. Let me restart my OS. So it will restart. Now in order to make it full screen, what we have to do is just make it full screen from the option, view option. But let me show you. Now as it is open, now simply I'll just click view, then full screen mode. Now as you can see, I've completely turned my full screen. So this was it for today's video, and see you on the next one. Bye.